loose ends, violin, but I still be your man. Black coffee, piping, make sure you don't burn your hand. Reaching out to smoke a parliament, your lips shiny like the porcelain.
So today I am having a meeting with the interior designers, and we're just going to have a catch up. These are the interior designers that I did work experience with before I got my current job. So we're just going to have a catch up, and yeah, that'll be fun. I have quite a busy day, so I'm excited to vlog. I should probably be a bit louder. I don't know if the camera's even picking up my audio right now. I'm a bit shy. We are moving.
So take care without me. There's some miles between us and what we need, but it's so familiar. Don't force it open. We got some ghosts hanging on a million texts. Some people that were going strong. Will you take care without me when I'm up the picture?
They all have like individual names. Who actually sits and names all of these? Lord of the Jungle. Hey, what kind of name is that? Lord of the Jungle. Excuse me. Yeah.
Not even king of.
Not king, Lord. Hey, the only Lord I serve is in heaven above. Is in heaven above. I don't know which one this one is.
So will you take care without me? There's some miles between us and what we need, but it's so familiar. Don't force it open. We got some ghosts hanging on a million texts. Some people that were going strong. Will you take care without me when I'm out the picture?
Yeah.
You should record people's reactions.
Well, I want to hear it. Now I want to hear it.
Listen to it.
So will you take care without me? Too many miles between